Let's try to be perfect. I have tried many times, but I didn't succeed at all. So I will remain imperfect, and I will remain imperfect, 'cause my hair is a mess, as you can see. I'm late to post this recording, and I don't want to wait. I don't want to wait to be perfect, because life doesn't wait for me. Life waits for me to stay imperfect, so I will remain imperfect. I haven't spent enough time with my kids. I haven't gained enough weight. I haven't lost enough weight. I'm not where I would like to be. I don't love myself enough. I'm not calm enough. I'm so imperfect. I haven't meditated all the days since the beginning of the year, and that's imperfect. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Dear one, where are you running? Why are you rushing? Perfection is not something you can reach by going quick, by wasting time on trying to reach some fake goals that don't really align with your time, because your time is not something that is a running, it's not a competition, it's just accepting your rhythm. Imperfection, so much guilt, so much shoulds, so many times you check the list, so many times you just want to throw the to-do list and to forget it. And what about looking for peace? I just learned that in Hebrew, the question, how are you? Literally, it's translated by, how are you with your peace? How is your peace today? How is my peace today? Well, just checking in and saying that, okay, my brain, my mind would like so much to have achieved all these things I have been thinking about from weeks, since days. And a part of me just recognizes that I need time to unfold, I need time to meet myself, I need time to experiment, I also need time to let go, to make some trials, to make some errors, because otherwise I can't learn, I can't grow, right? Learning, failing, falling, rising again, trying, singing, enjoying life as it is. Human perfection to me, it means being completely human, so being incomplete. Because each time I try to accept what I judge as imperfection, then I let life a chance to meet me, I let others a chance to bring me something to complete my experience. So I need to remain imperfect for that, to let others meet me where I am. And for another reason that is so important to me in my work too, and in this recording especially, is to let others witness and see my imperfection, so that they can allow themselves to be imperfect, and hopefully not with adding more shoulds like, I should try to be imperfect, I should try to tease my imperfection, to, showcase my imperfection. That would sound so fake. And it might be quite trendy nowadays to be vulnerable, to be perfectly imperfect. But I just want to be alive. I just want to breathe. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in imperfect moment. Breathe out perfect moment. Because words are just words. And being imperfect doesn't prevent me from trying to reach progress, trying to succeed, trying to attain some goals, trying to be efficient. Doesn't prevent all of that. Not at all. Not at all. Because life is not something where you have to choose between one thing or another. That seems opposite. No, nothing is opposite here. I can be imperfect and still try to seek the absolute. And with this word absolute, I come full circle with my last recording that was in nature too, if you remember, where I have shown you the pillars around me, and I have talked about this quest for the absolute and the notion of perfection. So with that, I just hope that you will find your own way to approach imperfection, to see imperfection in others, and just to be creative with that. Could be through silence, could be through action, no matter what. And I like the fact that I will remain this completely imperfect with many sounds around me, and maybe I will be banished from Inside Timer because my recording is not perfect and doesn't match the rules. But I'm just alive and I love it. So bye from someone who feels alive, perfectly imperfect.